That stupid duck. Show how he does his legs, hon.
His legs?
Yeah, when you pick him up and he acts like he's swimming.
Oh. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Run! I gotta get right back.
Run, chicken, run! He's so goofy. Fixed his wing, Papa. Gosh, the light is so bright in here.
Usually let's...
Yeah, the way that you get him